Alright, in this box here we've got the new mod for the Mark 7 GTI. It's the IS38 turbo. This one's a little bit different. This box is from FCP Euro. Didn't get the turbo from FCP. I know some people are going to say, yeah, the lifetime warranty. It's an IS38 Plus, but it's inside this box. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you guys today and basically showcase what's new and coming for the Mark 7 GTI. Side, and once we got that, there's a lot of parts, guys. Gaskets, bolts. Take all this out. There's the turbo right there. So it is an IS38 Plus. Go ahead and pop this out. This thing's got some weight to it. Woo! Look at that. So it's IS38 Plus. JD Eurosports. Alright, so this is the turbo, guys. JD Eurosports IS38. You can get the damn focus on it. Cool, there it is. Pretty excited for this turbo to go on the GTI. Obviously, it's like the only mod that I'm kind of missing out. Not necessarily full bolt-ons. We've got the front mount intercooler from CTS, as well as CTS downpipe and E85. But with this, I'm supposed to get the upper edge. Right now, we still have the factory turbo muffler delete. A lot of speculation about upgrading it, especially with a bigger turbo. A lot of people say it's worth it. I honestly don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna do the turbo muffler delete for this mod. Maybe. It all just depends. Let's take a closer look at this and see what we got going on. So we've got our 6-fin blade design, true to OEM spec. Obviously this is supposed to operate like an OEM IS38, but it's supposed to have a little bit more tolerance to stress, included with the stronger shaft, as well as like the bearings, and just supposed to give you a little bit more power than your average IS38. So set this to the side. So I also got a new wastegate actuator. IS38 spec actuators are a little bit more stiffer, a little bit stronger than your OEM IS20, so I did not want to swap that over. I prefer to just get a brand new one, just, you know, have that pre-installed and calibrated. Let's see what else. Got your IS38 engravings there. Just letting you know what kind of turbo you're running on this, on the hot side. Man, this thing looks pretty damn cool. I can't believe it that I'm actually gonna go IS38. I remember the first day I got the GTI, you know, everyone always says, hey, I'm only gonna do so much to it, and then, you know, a couple months later you see how far you've come. So there's that. But to be honest, I always wanted to try out a bigger turbo. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I can feel that it's already pre-lubed, but we're still gonna add some more lubrication once we do the install. JDE IS38 Plus engravings there. It's one of the earlier batches of this turbo. Now we're hoping to see some good power out of this thing. Also pre-lubricated, I can see that. You're not gonna mess with it too much though. You got your wastegate, stiff as it should be. There's another member, another GTI, who is running this exact turbo, tuned on full 85, making about close to mid 400s to the wheels. So that'll be pretty interesting to see on my car and see how everything plays out. I know it's a lot of power for front wheel drive, but you know, we'll try to get the power down the best we can with the right supporting mods, aka tires, my guy. Nah, but this is the turbo. It looks pretty damn cool. I'm excited for it. You can tell that it's bigger than the IS20. The main difference is going to be this housing here. Basically, with the larger housing, you can allow for more airflow, aka more top end for the car, for the engine. So that's what we're going to see. Power band shouldn't adjust too much from like an IS20 when it comes to torque and mid-range. Some people say that it takes a little bit more spooling time. I don't think it will, to be honest, but we'll double check everything once it gets tuned up. But I do know you're gonna get more noticeable top end. I want to say around like 40 to 50 wheel on the top end scale, or top end graph. Again, that's why I want to dyno tune this thing, so I can kind of see what I'm putting out in terms of power. I can't wait to get everything bolted up. I'm really just waiting on my low pressure fuel pump to come in that I ordered. Once that arrives, then we'll get everything bolted up and slap on this bad boy and see how it does, guys. I'm not sure when the tuning is going to get done, to be honest, but I am aiming to get a dyno so I can just be done all in one day, just get it over with. That way I can start rocking this thing, putting it to the test, and actually get some physical numbers for you guys. So I don't think I'm missing out on anything else. It's a cool damn looking turbo. It looks just like OEM IS38, but it's supposed to have, again, a little bit stronger, beefier internals. I didn't feel like going hybrid for this car. You know, I know the power potential is there, but honestly, I was fine with just a little bit more top end. Again, we wanted to keep this build OEM plus, and this is a IS38 plus, but it should be a lot of fun, guys, getting everything installed. Again, waiting for that low pressure fuel pump to come in. It's gonna take a while, so in the meantime, you know, enjoy the other videos I'm gonna be putting out. I know it's been a while since I haven't made anything, so yeah, I wanted to start off by giving you a update for some power, guys. More power, baby. Look at the size. Look at my hands. You kind of see the size of this thing. It's not a huge turbo, but it's definitely bigger than the IS20, again with the housing portion that's a little bit more large. But it looks really damn cool, guys. You got your oil feed lines there and everything else. Brand new turbo, came from the batch. I got a pretty good deal on it, so I couldn't pass it up. Yeah, guys, it looks pretty damn cool. I am pretty damn excited for this. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Drop it down below. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the build. You don't want to miss out on this. This is going to be a cool damn GTI build, so stay tuned for some updates. And if at any point in time you did enjoy the video, give it a like, because that really helps the channel develop and grow and get my content out there. So yeah, without further ado, guys, hope to see you on the next one. Peace.